To become a good scientist, it is not enough for a student to have mastery of physics, chemistry, or mathematics, but to have that extra spirit of innovation and inquisitive mind which wants to understand more and more and go deeper and deeper into issues. With a view to spotting such talent, we have linked our science fair with something we call the Spark Innovation Award. The aim is to encourage students to come up with original ideas on application of science on some of the problems that they see around them. The award is particularly important in the context of reports that have been emanating from various quarters that education of science in India is oriented more towards memorizing formulae and not fostering original thinking. The aim here is to make the children think of something on their own. And this is the third year of our Spark Innovation Award contest, some good participation has come up. We do find that still we find students coming up with working models of devices which are of everyday use, and we are still not there, but we do hope that gradually a time will come when this award will become the most coveted prize among the brightest of students, something that will challenge their imagination, stimulate original thinking, and in the process set some bright and inventive minds on the voyage of a career in science. We've also been partnering with the AP Council of Science and Technology, which has an annual program of selecting about 30 students for participating in the National Children's Science Congress held by the Department of Science and Technology. Our society not only helps prepare these students for the national contest, but also selects 6 students annually for a merit cum means scholarship to cover all their expenses until they complete their schooling and even beyond if required. While the quiz contests and science fairs target school children, right from the inception the society has also been running a program called the Young Scientist Awards program, under which handsome cash awards are given to research scholars who are working in the field of physics, chemistry, mathematics and biological sciences.